Hi everyone. Laura and I thought it would be really fun to share some ideas about hosting workshops. A workshop could be in person at your home, a friend's home, your office. You also can do them online, which is really fun.
Yeah. Or a restaurant even. And it's fun when if I'm in a restaurant and people are kind of like observing, they get drawn in. Like you get a bigger crowd than you anticipated. It's really, really fun. And it's fun to do it in person with a group of people because if you're just one-on-one with someone, they might think, this is just too good to be true. There must be a placebo or something. You get a whole room of people who are all of a sudden experiencing less pain, or they can move in an unlimited way. Like, wow, there's no denying that. So anyway, when we do a workshop, first of all, I like to introduce myself or have my friend introduce me, and then I state my why. Why did I get started? Because that is so impactful. I remember there was a woman who said, when I was a kid, my dad died. He had a heart attack. And when I was in college, my mom called and said that she was in trouble, and that impacted my life. I wanted a career where I could help people and prevent things like that from happening. That was her why. How amazing is that? It gives you goosebumps. It draws people in. My why is much more simple. I just wanted to feel better. I wanted to be a better mom. I wanted to be able to play with my kids more. And then when my allergies disappeared and I didn't need an EpiPen, like, whew, that was great. My cancer is gone that I had had for 9 years after having this for 2 months. Yow! Not that we can make any claims that this is a cure or treatment, but it empowers your cells to work better and heal faster. Every health challenge involves cells. So anyway, start with your why. Just introduce yourself. And then keep it simple, because you don't need to come off as you're an expert. What's better is if you really don't have all the answers, but you have the tools, you can access them. Or access them, I should say. We're not going to do a take two. We're just going to keep going.
Good.
Okay. and so use your resources. There are so many great videos. You just push and play. Push a video. It could be the 7-minute one. It could be the 15-minute one, which is the Redox Breakthrough. But it has all these doctors and scientists who are experts, who do the work for you. So leverage that. And then have one of us or someone in your upline Zoom in. We're here for you. And again, that means you don't have to be the expert. People who have gathered, they don't have to think that they need to learn all this information. They just need to be able to play a video and then use Zoom or a phone call or something and have someone who knows a lot more come in and offer third-party credibility. And then give them the Redox experience. Hopefully, you don't want to really say that. I kind of say a little prayer that somebody's going to be in a little bit of discomfort, even though I want goodness and, the best for everybody. But if somebody's knee hurts and you put some gel on them and then all of a sudden they can do a squat or the pain is gone, it's really powerful. So have lots of gel on hand and the other products. And then it's great to book a meeting from a meeting. So, if somebody decides that they want to be a customer or an associate, try to get them to look at their calendar and say, I'd like to do this on such and such a day, and tell people to bring friends. It can be small, it can be big, even the small ones. Even if you just get one person, that person can be amazing and make such a difference.
It's true.
Good luck.
You never know who, even that one person then connects another and another. It's that ripple effect, right?
Yeah.
So some of the things I've thought about, as you were saying, with the squatting, there are a few different tests or demonstrations that we can do.
We can.
Yeah, so we're going to do a complete different video for that so that you can see some of the demonstrations. And it's nice to keep it simple, I think. As Laura said, you could say, okay, is there an area in your body where you're feeling, if you have any pain? You also could just say, well, just put it here and see how you feel. Do you feel more calm? Do you feel like you have more energy? Whatever, right? It's different for everyone. And that's a wonderful, simple way to do it. But you also can do the squat test or the muscle test, and we're going to demonstrate that next.
Stay tuned.
Thank you.